Have you ever wondered if a single person's faith could truly stand against the might of an empire and the hunger of lions? In the heart of Babylon, a man named Daniel rose to power, serving King Darius with such integrity that no fault could be found in him. But success breeds envy. Other officials, jealous of Daniel's favor, sought a way to bring him down. They convinced the king to sign a decree. For 30 days, anyone who prayed to any god or man except the king would be thrown into the lion's den. Daniel knew the law, yet his loyalty to God remained unshaken. 3 times a day, he knelt and prayed, just as he had always done. His enemies were watching. They caught him in the act and rushed to the king, demanding that the law be upheld. King Darius was devastated. He spent the entire day searching for a loophole, for he respected Daniel, but the law of the Medes and Persians could not be changed. At sunset, they brought Daniel to the mouth of the den. The king spoke one final hope. "May your God, whom you serve continually, rescue you." A stone was laid over the mouth of the den. Inside, the air was thick with the scent of predators and the sound of low, hungry growls. The king spent a sleepless night, refusing all entertainment. His thoughts were only on the man he had been forced to condemn. At the first light of dawn, the king hurried back to the den. With an anguished voice, he called out, "Daniel, has your God been able to rescue you?" To the king's amazement, a voice answered, "O king, live forever. My God sent his angel, and he shut the mouths of the lions." Daniel was pulled out of the den, and not a single scratch was found on him, because he had trusted in his God. The king then commanded that those who had falsely accused Daniel be thrown into the den themselves, and they were quickly overtaken. King Darius issued a new decree that everyone in his kingdom should fear and revere the God of Daniel, the living God who endures forever. The story of Daniel reminds us, when your faith is tested by lions, will you trust the one who made them?